Welcome to Textile Triangle. Textile Ministry has announced the recruitment of young professionals to work with the various projects of the Textile Ministry. It will be a great learning opportunity for textile engineers, as the Textile Ministry is the topmost body of policy formulation and textile related governance in the country. It is an engagement opportunity provided by the Textile Ministry. It will give you the chance to understand the formal work environment in the Textile Ministry. In first part of this video, we will discuss the details of post, as the name of post is young professionals, and the second part we will discuss eligibility, the salary, job role, period of engagement, procedure of selection, and how to apply for this post. Now let's discuss the details of the post. The recruitment will be done in two parts, that is for category 1 and category 2. The category 1 is for the graduates and the category 2 is for the postgraduates. The total number of vacancies that will be filled has not been declared by the Ministry of Textiles. The total number of vacancies to be filled will be decided by the various departments of the ministry as per their requirement. It will offer the opportunity to learn the working of Textile Ministry, as well as it will be a very valuable experience for the young graduates, as this post requires only 1 year of minimum experience. That means any guy having minimum 1 year experience or more than 1 year experience can apply for this post. So now let's discuss more about the eligibility to apply for this recruitment. As I have already told you that this recruitment will be done in two parts. That means category 1 for the graduates and category 2 for the postgraduates. Age limit for this recruitment will be 35 years. That means the person should be below 35 years. Now, how to define the criteria of age limit? So remember, any person who is below 35 years as on dated 1st of July 2021 will be eligible to apply for this post. That means any person who is above 35 years on 1st July of 2021 will not be eligible to apply for this post. As you can see in the screen, there are various graduation and post-graduation streams which makes you eligible to apply for this post. Engineering graduates and postgraduates of any stream are eligible to apply for this post. Candidates other than engineering background are also eligible to apply for this post, as you can see the list of educational qualification on the screen. Now let's discuss the experience required for this recruitment eligibility. The candidate should have minimum 1 year experience to apply for this post. That means any candidate having experience more than 1 year can apply for this post, and your experience should be in relevant field. Candidate should have 1 year experience in textile or textile related fields. Ministry may also consider the experience for any project they are working on or will be working for. The relevance of your experience will be decided by the screening committee of the Textile Ministry. So you need to highlight the fields you are working in or you have worked for. Now let's discuss the salary you will be offered in this job. As the recruitment in two categories, that is scale 1 and scale 2. For the category 1, you will be given 40,000 minus taxes, and for the category 2, you will be given 60,000 minus taxes, as well as you will be entitled for other facilities. You may also require to travel as per the requirement, so the ministry will bear all the expenses. Your traveling requirement will depend on the department of Textile Ministry with which you will be working. Now let's discuss the job role of young professionals in the Textile Ministry. So to better understand the job role of young professional, let's discuss the functions of Textile Ministry. Textile Ministry primarily works for the policy formulations as well as planning and development of textile industry. So the young professionals hired under this recruitment can be used for organizational capacity building, as there are various projects and schemes. So the young professionals may be utilized for project monitoring, scheme formulation, scheme evaluation, as well as the development of textile industry in India. Young professionals may also be utilized for promotion of Indian textiles in the world. There are various schemes run by Textile Ministry. Recently we have seen the announcement of PLI scheme, IPDS, Integrated Textile Parks, National Technical Textile Mission is also an important one. Textile Ministry is also working on Textile Cluster Development Scheme, TCDS. So there are various schemes and projects run by the Textile Ministry. So the young professionals may be utilized for any schemes or projects which will totally depend upon the Textile Ministry. Now let's discuss the period of engagement. Initially, the young professionals will be hired for 1 year, and this engagement can be extended maximum up to 3 years. That means the young professionals every year will be given the extension by the concerned department, but this job duration can go maximum up to 3 years. As well as there will be a notice period of 15 days. That means you can leave the job by giving the 15 days notice period completion. One more important thing, the young professionals will be covered under Official Secrets Act 1923. That means you are supposed to do not disclose any sensitive information of Textile Ministry or any scheme or project you are working on with any unauthorized person. You have to maintain the integrity of data you are handling as well as the secrecy of the information. Now let's discuss the procedure of selection of young professionals. All the applications received by Textile Ministry will be scrutinized and shortlisted by the screening committee. The screening committee will go through the details provided by the applicants in their applications. So as per the requirement of various departments of the ministry, they will shortlist the suitable candidates. After the interview of shortlisted candidates, the selection list will be finalized. Now let's discuss how to apply for this recruitment. The application form has been provided by the Textile Ministry. You can download the application form by the link given in the description below. Once you fill all the details in application form, you need to attach all the relevant documents. That means your educational documents as well as documents associated with your experience. Once you collect all the documents, you need to self-attest all the documents as well as scan them in one file. Once you scan all the documents, now you need to email them to a particular email ID provided by the ministry. Now you need to upload the documents to your email, and the subject or heading of email should be in a particular format. That means you need to write application for young professional YP in the bracket at MOT. Now you need to write your name in the bracket as well as the category for which you are applying. That may be category 1 or category 2. You can also see in the screen that how to write the email heading for your application. Now you need to send this email jaya.shiva@nic.in as well as ypsatmot@gmail.com. You need to send your application to both of the email ID. You can also see we have given one example on the screen that how to write the subject or heading of the email. Also don't forget that you need to send this email before 3rd of December 2021, that too before 5:30 p.m. The application download link is given below in the description, as well as you can download this application form by visiting our website textiletriangle.com. Also, you can visit the official website of Textile Ministry. For any doubts and query regarding this job recruitment, you can visit our website textiletriangle.com. All the best.